So this is chapter 6.6, example 26, and it's also example 61 in the book. So the equation is, so we're basically supposed to factor this out. So it looks pretty scary at first. So the first thing you do is just basically try to take out any common variables. I figured out that there was a 5y, so after you took out the 5y, it would be 8x squared plus 18xy minus 35y squared. After looking at the equation, I thought the simplest way to factor this out would be factor by grouping. So factor by grouping is basically one of the ways you just factor. The first step would be is you would multiply the 8 times the negative 35, which takes you to negative 280. Why you get the negative 280 is because you're trying to figure out a number that multiplies to negative 280 but adds up to 18. So I figured out that 28 and negative 10 multiply to negative 280 but add up to 18. So you would just replace those two numbers for the middle variable. So it would be negative 5y parentheses 8x squared plus 28xy minus 10xy minus 35y squared. So you try to, the next step would be is to try to find any common variable in the first two parts inside the parentheses. So I found that 4x comes out easily in the first two parts, so it would be 5y. So it would leave you with 2x plus 7y. So you would just move the 2x plus 7y to the right and try to figure out a number that would make 2x plus 7y equal to negative 10xy minus 35y squared, which was negative 5y. So from that, you just rewrite it since you basically did all the work and factored it. So you get the original 5y that you factored out, and it would be, so you would get 2x plus 7y, then you would get the two numbers that you factored out from the original group, which is 4x minus 5y. And that's it.